Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheelbases on official channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. If the depth of the wheel spacer is less than the length of the standard bolt, the wheels used must allow small cavity in the wheel mounting pad. If a wheel without a cavity is used, the standard stud should be certain that it does not exceed the height of the wheel spacer. If you have any question about wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.